So today I did. It was a tough day again. There's not many stocks in play. I traded pretty poorly, and most of the time when I traded poorly, it was completely my fault. I overtraded. So Baba, I overtraded. I'm not gonna talk about it because I'm just all over the place. As you can see, I took way too many tickets. Um, yeah, I just took way too many tickets and. 184 tickets. That's way too much. I should have. I just got chopped up by Baba. But I did have a couple of good trades. Let's see. So, Tau. Tau was a good trade. What I did here, one of the few good trades I made, it's pretty clean. Can I make a new 5-minute low? I was doing Baba at the time, so I missed this opportunity to go in here. I could have gone in here. Instead, I went in at the slight drop, simply because I know how distended this is from the view app. It's going to pop back up. And so I went long, and then I saw that as it was going up, I started to close the position. I think on the 1 minute there was better guidance. Yeah, see, on the 1 minute I was aiming for this simple moving average. So as it got closer to it, I started to scale out, and then it did hit it, went above it, but I could have held it for a bit, but I wasn't in the mood for holding this on the downswing. I was trying to cut my losses, so. That was a decent trade, but I overtraded on a lot of the other stocks. Like, here it was a good trade for ROKU. I thought it was gonna pop up, and that's a 12.10. So here it passed pretty much all the moving averages. It's above VWAP. It held this for quite a long time. I think this is like the 45.20, 45.16 level. Yeah, I even marked it 45.16. Held it 45.16. I held it for a while. So when it went up, I went long, added to my position, and then when it popped towards the previous day from a red to green move, I scaled out my position for a good profit, and then I just basically screwed up the rest of the trades. Going short when it went up and so forth. But this is actually kind of okay because it went below the moving averages, went below VWAP, so I shorted it. I think the only problem was it's near the end of the day, and it tested the VWAP for a couple of times already. It wasn't going to go down. Should have went long instead, but could have, should have, would have. So that was bad. QCOM was okay. What did I do at QCOM? QCOM 1220. Okay, so it dropped below these moving averages. I saw there was an engulfing pattern here, so I went short as it dropped. This is actually my target, so that was fine, and then I just scaled out. I think I tried for a short again, and then I just cut my losses, or cut it so it won't be a break even. So it won't hit my break even. But I think eventually it did drop. So. See. But other than that, I mean, I got really beat up with Baba. Baba is not my friend anymore. But it's me over trading it. I had a couple good moves here, but all this was unnecessary. You see, this is just chopping, right? So why should I play it? This is chop. This is chop. So I actually, unfortunately, I only got a $410 loss. A lot of it goes to commission, actually. So probably my real loss is like probably $600 today. So I think I pretty much gave up on gains for the week, but it's been a tough week. So hopefully tomorrow would be better. But it is what it is. I just need to be more careful, not overtrade. That's always been an issue with me, is overtrading. Live and learn. and if you think about it, I have a number of good trades. So if I didn't make any of these other mistakes, I would have done pretty well. IQ was a good trade. What did I do for IQ? 11. So yeah, IQ here was pretty good. So could not make a new low. It's never tested VWAP yet. So most of the time, the stocks, if it hasn't tested VWAP, it would probably go back to test it. So I went long, and then I started to cover. It never really tested that level, but cover on my way up, and then it dropped. So that was a pretty good move, good for $100 or so. But yeah, otherwise didn't do too well today, but we'll do better tomorrow.